Hey, how you guys doing? Bro, this chat is going crazy right now. Alright, let me see what you guys been saying. Finn's gonna be joining the stream, I think like in 10 minutes. So it's gonna be us together. Happy birthday. How did you guys know it's my birthday today? I didn't even mention it to anyone. Well, I don't think I mentioned it to you guys. What is Finn doing? I don't know. You guys gotta ask him. You gotta be like, why is he late? As soon as he joins, ask him why he's late. He's like stuck in traffic, I think. Happy birthday. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. I think as this is my birthday, I'll do like 3 winners for the giveaway today instead of the normal 2. Feeling generous, you know. How old are you now? Try and guess my age. How old do I look? That'll be Yeah, today's my birthday. They're making me stream today, bro, on my birthday. I'm joking. I don't mind streaming. I'm only doing stuff later in the day anyway. Make it 5. I don't know if I can make that call. You're gonna have to ask Finn. Finn can make that call. As soon as he joins, we can get him to do that. 26, 20, 25. No, you guys are kind of off. I turned 17 today. It's my 17th birthday. $23 years. Yeah, you're actually right. How did you get that? But yeah, you're right. I'm done with trading today. You took a trade. No, I'm not actually 17. I'm 23 today. But yeah, today, if you trade my model, I mean, we got the run at the high, then the low. So pretty nice if you trade my London range. Today for New York, what do you guys want to do? Should we buy this market or sell it? The sell-off was a lot better yesterday, if I had to guess. Like, we have all of these lows left. I mean, minimum, we should be able to get to this. But to me, I would rather want to buy this. I feel like if we can run this low, then go higher, then go lower, something like this would be the best. I should win an account. I mean, yeah, you did get it right, to be honest. Ask Finn when he comes. We could try and do some more accounts today. Instead of 2, I'll definitely be doing 3. Happy birthday. Thanks, man. Just finished the blueprint model, bro. I'm going to be the next success story. Probably. I mean, like, my model is something that almost everyone can trade and know exactly what's going on within the market. Like, even today, this was today alone. We took the high, got the low. What was yesterday? Yesterday, we just straight sold off in New York. London again, we took the high, got the low. That's 2 days in a row. 3 days in a row. See, like 3 days in a row. 4 days in a row. Like crazy, crazy things my model can do. Thanks, Gideon. Appreciate it, bro. What is the best advice for a futures trader? I would definitely say if you're coming from forex, then you're probably going to enjoy this market a lot more. So I would say just get used to the contract sizing and the risk that you can put in. to the market. That's the main thing. Everything else you will adapt pretty way easily. I saw your Twitter, you made crazy profit. Yeah, yesterday, what did I take? What trade did I take yesterday? Oh yeah, I took this London short. We took the high, sold off. I took this short down. I think I made like 5k. On one of my funded accounts, actually, I will show you guys. It's an uncapped in payouts. So you have to get 25 winning days, like 25 green trading days and 5 payouts to get an uncapped account. So let me put it into perspective like this. There's like 15 million retail traders. There's about a million prop firm traders, maybe 2 million prop firm traders. Out of that fraction, I think it's only 3% pass a challenge. Like 0.5% get to a payout. So if you're getting consistent payouts, you're basically a top level athlete. And this only comes from being able to manage your risk and have a strategy which repeats within the market. That's all there is. That's going to be your best friend through this whole journey that you take. How does trailing drawdown work? I would go with end of day trailing drawdown, probably the best route to go with. Yeah. No, I made 5k overall across the 3 accounts, so like 1.5k. What is the horizontal? This is just 820's opening price. It's mainly for the bond market. But I'm kind of looking for this today. If we run the low, get the high. This will be the ultimate birthday trade if we can get the low to the high. That's all I'd be interested in. Or if we get the high to the low, whichever side. But that's basically my model, my trading. It's my time-based ranges. Looking for one side of the range to get taken to target the other end. What's my view on gold? Good question, actually. I really wanted gold to start expanding, start running out of here, but it's been moving sideways. So I would just wait on wherever it wants to do. A lot of people view this as like a breakout or whatever. I just rather wait for it to clear up. Finn is so late, bro. Finn is cooked. We need to fire Finn. He's not allowed to stream anymore. From how many years you are trading? I've been trading for 6 years. Becoming profitable, I'd say, took me solid 2. Like learning exactly what's going on within the market and everything took me a solid 2 years. But you can always cut that learning curve in half. It just depends. I think Finn's joining now. Can I show? Yeah, basically all I'm looking for in NQ is if it runs this low to go higher, or if it gets the high first of my range, then go lower, pretty much. That's all I want. Bro, has been trading since he was, yeah, I've been trading late 16, yeah, in 17. I've been in this game for a while. I've seen a lot of things. Where can just go onto my YouTube channel. I think it's linked in the description of this. According to you as a beginner trader, should I focus on risk to reward or should I go for win rate? You should focus on risk to reward. Like win rate's always going to be subjective. I'll tell you this, you'll never get 100% win rate only because you're a human. Like a robot will be able to get 100% win rate, but you as a human won't. So that's one thing you gotta come to terms with. 6 years legend. I don't know about legend. Not a legend just yet. Looking for a short. I mean, that's pretty much every day I'm looking for a short. Bro, yesterday, when did we stream? Did we stream on Wednesday? This market, bro, we were looking for a short on Wednesday. All it did was pump all Wednesday, and then it decided to dump. So we were like a day too early yesterday on Wednesday when we were streaming. This was really annoying because I didn't like this move higher. I didn't even agree with it. Like it shouldn't have went to the upside, but we eventually did deliver the downside move. What's the view on AI in high? Um, I really don't have a view on that, to be honest. I don't even know how most people are using AI to trade. I don't think most people don't even have a consistent strategy to be able to give it to a robot to trade consistently. Like if you're not consistent with the strategy at a human level, there's no way a robot's going to be able to be consistent with it unless it's like really mechanical, which my strategy is, but you'll need a few more insights to that. Finn's joining today. He's just late. He's late. So you guys gotta tell him off. How long have I been friends with Matt? Bro, me and Matt started trading pretty much together. It's kind of crazy. I met Matt in like a. He added me as a friend on Discord. Me and him were like this. This was like the early days of ICT. Like 6 years ago, ICT wasn't really big. The community wasn't there. Everything like that. So yeah, like six. I've known Matt for 6 years, which is crazy. We basically started trading together-ish. Matt was trading options before everything. Consistency rules. I mean, I would go for an account with no consistency on the eval. 100 likes and I'll join the stream. Yeah. If we can get 100 likes, I'll get Gideon on the stream. Damn, Matt should be. Do you think? I don't think Matt streamed yesterday. I think he's live today, though. No, he's not. He's live. Tuesday. What do you do with high and low not taken? Nothing. We just gotta wait, bro. We gotta wait for one side to be taken. Let's see what Finn said. He's joining. Bro, Gideon's gonna ban you if you keep spamming. King of affiliates. He didn't stream yesterday. Oh yeah, I saw. He just forgot about it. You guys can see that little line right here holding up as like a brick wall. That's 820. But if you want to learn about my approach, it's all on my YouTube channel. I'm breaking it down step by step anyway. Let's see. In my opinion though, at this open we should be able to run this low and then get this high at a minimum. Either Dow Jones does it first, like Dow runs this low, then gets this high. One of these indices are gonna do this. I hope. You look great, bro. The curly hair of yours. Bro, are you hitting on me? Did you just shoot your shot? Gideon swings that way. It'll be straight green if you... Same setup with Dow Jones. Yeah, I think Dow can minimum get to Where is Dow? 46, 940s. I think I can get that. Like run this low, then this high. Bro, nah, I don't swing that way. Gideon might. I don't know. I don't know. It might work on Gideon. You just gotta try it. That's why he wants to come and stream today. You're looking for longs? Yeah. Yesterday's New York. What are you looking forward to see tomorrow? Yesterday's New York. Bro, yesterday just sold off. You just really can't do much. And anyway, this range is pretty large. I wouldn't expect both sides to get taken anyway. But today I would expect this low to get taken, then maybe this high. Why did you choose this range? It's based off CME. So like there's one daily candle I focus on, and I just focus on time cycles within there. So this range is like a part of a lot more ranges, but I haven't told them yet. Or maybe. It's a big maybe. You took the shorts yesterday, they were clean. They were pretty nice. That's probably the cleanest I've seen in New York in a while. Like when it just straight sells off like this. This isn't a market crash. Like every time the indices drop 2%, everyone thinks this is like a market crash. When the indices actually go into a bear market, that's when everyone's gonna panic and be like, oh no, the whole world's ending now. But this isn't a bear market, it's just every single month you'll get a sell-off day like this and a buying day, which is over 300 points. They're like the best days. I think we spoke about it like last month, you know. Beginner trader, which has, bro, I would avoid Nasdaq at all costs unless you want to lose your hair. Actually, you can look at gold. Gold and Q, I think, are the best to trade. Hats off to me and Finn. Your streams are not boring. Oh, you think Matt's streams are boring? I'll tell him that. I'll tell him next stream that you think his streams are boring. Bro, where is Finn? He told me 10 minutes, like 10 minutes ago. I can't stream without Finn. Today, very confusing market. You think? I mean, I just have two things I can do. Either we take out the low, target the high, or we take out the high and target the low. That's all I can do. If we take this low, then we get the high. Now I know what Finn's up to. He rented a G-Wagon and he's just driving that around right now. He's enjoying life. He's probably on the beach. Tell us where he is. I don't know where he is actually. He's probably on the beach somewhere. Market's doing F. This range is from 812 to 912. Mark is doing seek and destroy. Oh yeah, I would wait on the open just to see what it does. I think Dow should run this low and then get this high. Like we should do that. What car do I have? I have a Range Rover. I don't know. I'm thinking of getting something else. I have a Tesla as well. I'm thinking of getting. Should we just go all out? Should we just spend everything I have and just go buy an SVJ? We'll buy an SVJ Roadster and we'll just stream from the SVJ. Range Rover Sport. Yes, sir. Dodge Charger. Oh, let's buy a Hellcat. No, I don't have a McLaren. I did want a McLaren. I was going to get one, but some guy bought it before me, so I can't do much. Will you buy with NASDAQ? Dude, wait on the open. I would like the longs though. I don't want to short it, but I think it wants even lower. Like, here's the thing with my model. It's either I take out the low and then I'm immediately only bullish to the high. Not bad. SVJ is a beast. Yeah, to be honest, SVJ's all crazy. M5. The new M5 looks really good, actually. The new M5. I think it's the CS as well. That is a pretty nice car. Bro, one of these guys. Oh, wait, Finn's trying to join now. Cybertrucks aren't allowed in the UK. I think they're banned in Europe. They're too big. I think it's only in America that they're allowed. Lower time frames. Honestly, I'm only trading on the M5 nowadays. But I will tell you this, we should run this low at the open 25061. Either it's NQ or Dow. One of these guys has to run this low to take this high. That's my kind of target for today. Out of here. Let me see what gold does. You bearish on gold? Yeah, actually. We're taking out the high. The only thing is, gold's been chopping for so long that I don't know if I like this.
Alright, we here.
Yo, can you guys hear Finn?
We here.
Can you guys hear him?
I think so.
I can hear you. I don't know if they can hear you. Yeah, they can hear you. Nice.
Amazing. I'm sorry, guys. I just landed, arrived with my flight. So I'm gonna be without a screen today, sadly.
He's streaming from a beach right now.
Wish. I'm in Czech Republic. Are there any people from Czech Republic here?
Everyone's gonna start saying me. Did you trade? I don't think you traded this morning, right? You were on a flight.
No, I tried, but the internet was not good on the flight.
Yeah, this sell-off
Thank
was
you,
so
Gideon.
nice.
Yeah, the sell-off was amazing, I saw. Yeah, too bad I missed out, but let's see if we can find something here. I'm waiting to break out of the range.
Yeah, I think we should be able to get like a long to this high minimum if we get the low, or if we
If
get
we
the
look
high,
at the
then
higher time frame, it's awkward for me to long though, but I trust the range, so
yeah, true. But I think if it gets the high first, I'd rather trust the short.
what am I doing in Czech Republic? Well, it's my wife's birthday, and we're gonna celebrate that in Czech Republic.
Yeah, me and Finn's wife. I'm not Finn's wife before some of you guys start commenting that. Bro, like, I don't know how these guys knew it was my birthday today. I didn't tell anyone. Like, I didn't post it. I only posted it in my Telegram. That's crazy.
Everyone at the same time, happy birthday, Ralph.
Yeah, we're doing like 3 giveaway winners today.
What?
We'll do 3 giveaway winners for the
Yeah,
birthday.
let's do it. Yo, Ralph,
Cool.
yeah.
Nah, that's Finn. That's not me. Happy birthday, Finn's wife, bro.
Yeah. I'm sure she'll say thanks. I'll tell her in a second.
Appreciate it, guys. I finally turned 17 today. I can learn to day trade. I've been looking forward to this. Oh,
Oh, he wants cake. Shit.
Gideon brought the cake.
Amazing. Gideon, you're the best.
What am I doing to celebrate? I'm buying. Sean's giving me a SVJ Roadster. That's my. That's what I'm doing to celebrate.
Of course.
Yeah, like thanks for doing happy birthday, Ralph and Finn's wife. Not happy birthday, Ralph, Finn's wife. Bro, I saw
Well,
all those comments.
it's also Finn's wife's birthday, so I mean, it's only fair.
It is. It's only fair, bro. I think gold should sell off low key with the range. Should get this low. I've
Oh
hardly
yeah,
seen
it
gold
already broke
miss.
out. Yeah. I
But
just
I
don't
don't
know
think
if it
anything.
trades my model that cleanly though.
Nah.
It doesn't, right?
It does sometimes, but not all the time, to be honest.
Yeah.
Where's the cake? Low key, I should have got cake and cut it on stream. I don't do birthdays. Bro, what do you mean you don't do birth? You just decided you don't want to do birthdays?
I'll stay forever young.
Bro hit like 18. He was like, you know what? I don't want to count my age anymore. I don't want to do birthdays. He's like, nah, I don't want to do this.
Ralph Finn's wife sounds so good.
Bro.
You guys make me laugh too much.
Bro, this. Bro. Oh, this gap
Let's
is
put a bull
huge.
candle on a cake. Yeah, that gap is huge.
I think we run the low, get the gap in, like closed. I would like that the most today. Holy, we haven't moved at all actually this open. Alright, Dow run the low. I can. Oh, bro. Look at Dow. Touches the range.
Wow.
And I mean, Dow
Low-key, I
completed a
think
2
we would
tick.
be ranging a little bit, but
Yeah.
let's see.
But yeah, as I said to you guys before, I was like 95% Dow should get 46,940, run the high. NQ got the low though.
Yeah.
Uh,
ES had the low too.
yeah.
It's just that I don't like the range that much yet.
No, I would have trusted the short range, to be honest, if we got the high first to the low. Bro.
The candle surely just teleported from one dimension to another.
No, it did. This M15 gap was putting in the work. Wow, we were here for 2 hours nearly.
Yeah.
RIP to anyone that was trading that. So around here, just because Dow's made the SMT and unfortunately Dow already completed my model. I don't know. I still think we can get just a run above this high poke above because of this regular trading hours gap. It's just pretty huge for them to leave. My trading account is blessed with negative balance. That's it, bro. You know, when you're in drawdown, this is like the best thing to do. You should risk more on trades because then you can make it back really quickly. That's the best way.
There's two sides to it.
Dude, gold ran the lows. Did you take it?
No, I did not.
No, one of my students, I am Datum. Bro, I think you took this trade. If you didn't, I'd be disappointed in you, bro.
Oh.
Nice, good stuff, bro. No, he's a killer.
Looks like it. Well, I like the 3-minute close in NQ though.
3.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, this wick.
Big.
We need to hold this wick up if it wants to go higher. Gold was clean, just in single candle, but laid out my model pretty nice.
They were saying in the chat, "Happy birthday, Ralph and Finn's wife."
No,
so
they said happy birthday, Ralph, Finn's wife. They thought I was the wife, bro.
Say thank you.
Thank you very much.
Here, thank you for my wife. Now there's proof that Ralph is not my wife.
Now there's it's proof that we're two different people.
Wouldn't make sense for me in Czech Republic to be in Czech Republic then anyway.
Dude, how far is Czech Republic from me? I think it's like an hour away, right? Or 2?
It's a few hours. I mean, you'll figure out on my wedding, right? The official wedding.
True.
I think it's like 2 hours. 2 hours flight.
Oh, okay. It's not that far.
No, it's Europe.
Right, this wick, I really want to see it hold like 50%. That's the main one for me.
Yeah.
There is an SMT with the S. Small one, not that big. I don't think there's anything that's...
I just think the gap on the 1 minute for me is a little bit big.
Yeah.
Just would... yeah, it basically ruins my risk to reward. But that is the gap that should hold. That should inverse. Because it's a strong gap, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
That's basically how I look at it, because for the past weeks, that's what has been working as well, is if one gap keeps holding, like this one, it has a pretty strong reaction from it. Any gap below that, it won't work, because if you get into this gap and it holds again, then you'll hit your break even endlessly. But as soon as this gap breaks on a 1 minute, then you'll just take out the high really quick.
Yeah. Gold, bro, gold played my model pretty nicely. I spoke about before I should get a low. Ran it pretty quickly. Let's see. Bloodbath, bro, I don't want to... Like, this is the one day I don't want to sell it because it's so low, right? If it was here, then I would have shorted. So I'll see if we can get something along out to that high. This is the new 5-minute candle. Still holding up pretty strong.
Aye.
Gideon's gonna pull up. Bro, Gideon just self-invited himself. He invited. He said, "Yeah, I'll pull up." He checked his calendar and he's like, "Yeah, I'm not doing anything that day."
Like 6 months in advance. I didn't want to see it sell off yet though.
Nah, that is the plan at low.
But it's kind of being expected, you know.
Yeah, so like my plan is either I'm waiting for a gap to get inversed, like here, something like that, to trust
Yeah.
the opportunity. Like as I said to you guys before, if you run the high, then I would have shorted or looked for the short. Dow just played it out very nicely. Same with NQ. Sorry, gold. Bro, gold was clean.
The only problem for me with Dow is that it took out the high and then just instantly dropped. It didn't give me any entry model at all. Not for me personally.
No, Dow, bro, you'll hardly ever be able to catch a move with Dow. With the model, it's just so quick.
Yeah.
Like even I don't. This 15-minute candle's melting though. Taking it
Yeah.
slowly. I actually want it to trade lower. Like my longer term target's back to this Friday's that candle's low, Friday 10th of October, like 24,175. I wouldn't mind that. I've seen your strategy and it worked. Yeah, it works pretty good on gold. It works really well in NQ as well, but what can I do here? You know, NQ's just melting straight off the open.
Crazy open today.
Yesterday was pretty crazy too.
Oh, yes, it was pretty crazy, but I had to cash out on 1R because I had to abide the rules. Otherwise, I could have still been into that trade.
Here to sell on gold. Nice.
Good job.
To me, this is a TP on gold, but anything else that you can get is just a bonus at that point. I'll steadily watch NQ. Hopefully, it just doesn't keep burning off lower after the open. Done for the day. 2K day. Same, bro. I'm done for the day. I made $1 billion. I'll stop now. Day done. Day trading so easy. Done easy. Made $1 billion.
Day trading zombie. That's about the consistency rule because I was in pretty heavily because it was a small RR. And if I would have held, I would have made like 30K on that account. So with the 20% consistency rule, that would mean that I would have to reach this insane target. So yeah, I'm not in for that one. I would rather be consistent.
Also, your buffer gets pretty big though, so you can risk a lot more. But then again,
well, that's true, but you don't want the pressure. You know, I would rather just play around with that because initially you have a payout cap anyway, right? So what is the point of being like 60K and plus?
True. Bro, this thing is just melting. Why always I get better while you're streaming? Maybe, I don't know, bro. Maybe I'm helping you get better.
Surrounding yourself with good people increases your own performance by 30%.
Is that actually true? Or did you just make that up?
No, it's true.
Oh.
If you surround yourself with bad performer, it decreases your performance by 40%.
This is something that VG would say, bro. Like he would randomly text me something like this.
It's true. He's like Ralph. Don't surround yourself with bad performance, bro. You're doing well.
Yeah, true.
Goated streams from Ralph and Finn.
Bro, these streams are fun.
I'm sorry, guys, that I joined so late. Oh, we're 40 minutes in as well.
Yeah, to be honest, you didn't miss much. It's only NQ. Dropped 150 points.
I mean,
Have lions. Alright, bro. Where did you find that? That sounds like a David Goggins quote.
yeah, we miss. Well, I'm here. I'm just not. I mean, yeah,
He's in the shadows.
I'm in the shadows.
He's on the beach, but
If I would be on the beach, I would be. I had to buy a hoodie because I don't even own a jacket.
oh yeah, I mean, living in Dubai, you don't need one anyway.
No, it's pretty cold out here. It's like 8 degrees.
It's a quote for the day trading community.
Dropping quotes today.
4-hour SMT. Ooh, let's see. With ES. Oh yeah. I see it. I see the vision. This gap is so big, though. Yeah, let's see.
To me, this looks like a day that 11 a.m. would clear a lot
Yeah,
of things up.
I think so too.
Because in my opinion, if we went down this much, I would not take the first buy opportunity that I can get.
No, I'm waiting to see this. I think this gap might do another run below this low, chop around before it wants to push up higher. Is Finn in Dubai or Czech? Both.
I'm now in Czech Republic.
He's always traveling, bro. He's so rich. He's too rich. David Goggins, monster in the gym. Bro, that guy's insane. He's what I like to call just a loose screw. And that's not even a bad term. You just never know what you get with him.
He ran a he ran an ultra run with broken shins.
Yeah, like that's insane. It's unheard of actually. Bro, Finn's my student. You guys think I'm
Wow.
joking? Well, like one day I'm gonna post an interview with me and Finn, and he's got like $1 million payout.
They're
Dude, this
laughing,
guy.
but they don't know it's true.
Nah, you guys actually don't.
I mean, don't you think that gap is a little bit too big to take off a trade? My stop loss would be way too big.
No, here, no. I think this would be the first initial gap that starts a delivery that shifts though, but
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't really trust this low that we made.
I mean, unless we have like a candle that just pumps through.
Yeah. Right here. We know, just want to make sure. Alright, you guys think I'm joking. I'm being serious.
Too bad.
I don't think anything else looks good. Gold did look good.
Gold just instantly delivered.
Same with Dow. We're slowly building a bit of structure out of this. Yo guys, I'm late. Finn was late today as well, bro. It's all good. Bro, Video wants proof. What more proof do you want?
Proof from what?
I actually don't know.
How many trades do you take a day? For me, it's max 3.
Yeah, like most of the time I'll take 2, but some days I might not
Yeah.
even trade.
I'm pretty sure if I would put 3 trades, that max 1 would be a stop loss, and or 2 trades, and I would have another one. Then max 1 would be a stop loss, and the other one would be a break-even trade anyway, so that I have one more chance to deliver. That Finn is your student. Oh, he actually taught me a part of his model. I did have my entry model, so I formed into my own model, but like time-based ranges is all from this goat here.
There you go. Now Gideon's gonna be like, "What, really?" He's
Wow.
he's gonna message me now.
Is this three-candle fractal?
Yeah, you
I
can
would
apply it
say
on
so.
every single.
What's my RR per trade? I would say my average RR is like 2 to 3 R. Yeah, I would say so. Last year was definitely bigger though, but
Justin Werlin. What about him?
goat Ralph, goated. Why are you reading my mind?
I know you, bro. I know exactly why you got banned from Discord. Like, Discord don't ban people, bro. Like, unless you did something that just completely went against their guidelines, they don't ban people just like that. Dude. But yeah, I mean, NQ, as I was saying to you guys, we need to close above 50%. I still feel like there's going to be like another run to go higher. Like, you can do one or two things here. Just fire bullets at trying to long, like any opportunity you get, or you can wait for some kind of structure to actually be built to try the long. Whatever you float your boat.
Yeah, day trading zombie. That's yeah. My win rate right now is on average this year like 90%. Over the past 3 weeks, it's 100.
Yeah, all because of my ranges. You see, this is
All
what's
because of the
possible.
ranges. Yeah. I
This is
mean,
what's
yeah.
possible. But true though, like if you guys actually wanted to learn a system that's very mechanical, nothing comes close to my like it's not even an ego thing, it's like real. For most of you. I think a lot of you will be better off trading this way.
You know, it's just the easy way. Like, okay, so you got different liquidity points, right? For me, the liquidity points would be data highs and lows, equal highs and lows, previous day highs and lows, the internal highs and lows, like stuff like that, like the lows within for value gaps and stuff. But with
Yeah.
the time-based model, it's just yesterday, literally, I wanted to record my trading session because I usually do. And I literally got on the chart and I saw that the high was taken out.
Oh yeah,
And
smoked the low.
I literally traded for like 2 minutes yesterday. Literally.
Yeah,
So it's
then you
just
just
so easy to point out the high and the low and then just target the opposite liquidity. You don't have to look for the equal highs in that sense or the lows or where the
yeah.
direction is gonna go. It's just for that session.
Yeah, exactly. Wow, NQ is so boring today's open.
Yeah.
It's gonna do its classic hold up this gap, drop, and then finally move. But like any opportunity you get, like being like, oh, I should buy now, I should sell now, just wait. I never trust the first low that's ever made within the market either.
No. That's why I
Always
said
look
just
for
now,
the
right? Like I would want to see one entry working out and then I'll just take the
yeah, like if this market
second
wants to
one.
trade lower, this gap should remain open above it, and we should push it a bit lower. Finish rich, he's always traveling, bro. He's too rich. He's he's on another level. Dow looks pretty boring. I don't know. This might just be a Friday that we just slowly dig lower, then get the move higher at like 11 or 12.
I mean, if Dow would have looked like NQ without taking out the high, it would have been a pretty clear delivery of the 5-minute inverses.
Yeah,
But it already took out the high, so I don't trust YM.
no.
But I think if YM would be closing above that 5-minute and it would make another run to the high, it should pull up NQ and ES. possibly.
Yeah. It's gonna be a lot to take. Wait, what did we do this week? We made Tuesday high, Friday just to run back to 50%. Wouldn't be bad. Finn making
Sometimes, sometimes I literally be thinking that I moved the market though.
yeah,
Ralph,
like
remember that 5 minute entry that I sent you like a few days ago? Like
yeah,
literally the from my entry it dropped.
Finn's one micro moves the market like every day. That's really what
One
happens.
micro through 27 accounts. I've been trading for almost 6 years, but I started off with the first 3 years in forex. So I was trading CFDs before. Consumer sentiment. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, maybe 10 will move this market. They'll probably dump it one more time before the up move.
Yeah, then you can take an entry model from below that low though.
Yeah,
I would trust it a little bit more than
I wouldn't
same as Ralph. Yeah.
like. I would like this gap being filled, bro. I was telling them when we were bearish. Oh, I don't think you're on the stream on Wednesday. I was bearish on this day. I was like, no way. We just continue pumping. The next day we just drop. I was just a day too early on that long short even.
Are we still right on our streams together though? 100% prediction.
Yeah, let's see if we get this run higher. Otherwise, we're gonna drop 10%.
I wouldn't prefer take a trade with before 10 a.m. though.
Nah, not
It would have
today.
been risky. Risky. Although you have a tons of liquidity on NQ though. You have LRLR, you have the equal highs on the 1 minute, and you got the time-based range high.
Yeah, and the RTH
So
gap. Like to me, it should get back into there. Like there's no way we leave it.
yeah,
Yeah, bro. We need to get the likes up. What are we at now? I don't know. Especially if it's my birthday. You guys gotta lock in. Blueprint model is the way. You know what? I'm not opposed to that. It's not ridiculous to say that.
I definitely agree. I gotta agree to that.
Dow gave the close. I think Dow should just fly, bro. If it's gonna do its classic thing.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna like. That's what we have seen over the past few weeks, right? Like when YM is dumping, then it pulls down the rest, and when it
Yeah.
pumps, it just pulls up the rest to the levels that we have to reach.
Yeah. I would see Dow just. What do you think about ICT strategy? I don't know what ICT is teaching nowadays. It looks pretty confusing to a new trader. I have nothing against his teachings though. He's a great guy. He changed the trading industry for sure.
Yeah, surely.
I just had to expand in my. What do you think of ICT? ICT is smart money concepts. Like the whole SMC stuff all stem from ICT. Like no one gives flowers to him because obviously a lot of people have their egos and they're like, no, I'm the best. This is the best. But Michael's stuff is probably the best trading for retail in the last decade. I'll probably stand by that.
Yeah, I agree with that one. Definitely made a lot of people rich, that model.
Bro,
Although
ICT's like the
it might
only
be smart
guy.
money concept with a different name or
Yeah.
different terminology. But yeah, definitely it's a good model.
What do you think the myth of that institutional ways in retail trade? Bro, you can't really compare institutional trading and retail trading at all.
Institutional trading is more like hedging their positions. It's
Yeah.
not even that they see our stop losses. That's
Like most people don't even know a role. Like everyone, if you ask like if you had a room with 10 retail traders, 9 out of the 10 of them will say there's like one evil market maker that's hunting everyone's stop. Like the markets don't really work like that. There's multiple hundreds or if not thousands of market makers. And like if you ask someone what the role of a market maker is, they'll all be like, oh, it's to hunt everyone's stop loss. A role of a market maker is just to facilitate orders. Like that's it. Just to
Yeah.
keep the markets moving as they are. But finally getting a close above this gap. Let's see if we can get the run up here. We got news in about what, 3 minutes? Well, damn, the stream went pretty quick.
I'm telling you.
We are just a small fish. That's very true.
Even if you would be trading with like $3 million, you're still a small fish in this industry.
Yeah, like I think to buy like a seat, like the stock exchange, what is it, like 15 mil or something? I don't know, something crazy though.
Yeah, it's crazy price. I'm not sure. I don't want to lie, but
Yeah, I'm not. We finally got the close above though. We should be able to run higher. If a body closes above this gap, then it should be enough to push this market. I'm
how many
hoping. We'll have to
pairs
see what
should
the
we
news.
trade?
I would say only trade NQ and gold, but
I only trade NQ and I'm good.
yeah.
If you just master one pair, you don't need another one. Like, okay, Ralph occasionally takes a trade on gold if he cannot find one on NQ. So you'll find a trade either way. But I think one pair is enough.
Yeah. Right, finally we closed above the gap. This gap now, if we get a body in, I would want to see us just push higher. I wouldn't even want to see another run at this low. Do we have an SMT? No SMT, but oh, Dow should be the one that does the running then.
Yeah.
As we wanted. Yeah, Nasdaq's a good pair. A lot of you would like it. Which you have Bruce Lee was a wise man. I still don't know what Bruce Lee did. Was he like was he a fighter?
I got
He was a
no
fighter.
idea.
I've always heard of the name Bruce Lee. I don't know.
Goated.
A trade gold only. Nice, bro. Nice. Right, we got a minute until will Gideon go on live stream? No. He's banned.
Not only on
Unfortunately.
Discord nowadays.
Yeah.
The Matrix is
Until he
hunting
gets
him.
unbanned from Discord, then we can
I
see.
think the Matrix is after Gideon.
Nah, he's the one fighting with the Matrix, bro. He knew what he was getting into.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got a minute until the news. I'll sit here and see what the news does. Pick some of the winners for the stream as well. We'll do 3 winners because it is my birthday. Turned 17. Imagine Einstein trading on NQ and gold. That would be pretty impressive, actually, seeing how he would trade it. But that was the news. It pretty much did nothing. NQ's slowly pushing out. If you guys are still watching this market, then I would look for fill that gap, trade lower, and then push higher. Who's Zamco? I don't know, bro. Just some guys coming on stream one day, I think. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. What should the word be for today?
Birthday, of course.
True. Can you guys spell birthday and type it right? Like halfway through, you got to do the words like very small because sometimes everyone's gonna mess up. All right.
Oh,
So we're gonna
okay.
do the word birthday. All right. You guys have to spell it right. We'll pick 3 winners. So
No, not HBD. Birthday.
not happy birthday, Finn's wife, bro. All right. So I got
Happy birthday, Finn, Rauf's wife. That one made my day, to be honest.
that one is not getting picked. All right, I got one. Finances, etc. Bro. I got CXY. That's the second one. We'll do one more as like a bonus for my birthday. And I got Pratham. Alright. Those are the 3 winners for the giveaway. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Not happy birthday, Finn's wife. I'm not his wife. But we will be back streaming on Monday.
Hey, don't skip my wife.
I'm not the wife, bro.
Oh no, you're definitely not.
They're gonna think I'm Finn's wife now. But if you're still watching this, would be looking for a run at this low to go higher to see if NQ can get the final run. But yeah, happy birthday to Finn's wife, not me. But enjoy the rest of your day, and I will speak to all of you guys on Monday with Finn. All right.